50 ways to say sorry. Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Whoops. Sorry. Sorry about that. Please allow me to apologize. Please accept my apologies. I'm awfully sorry. I'm genuinely sorry. I'm terribly sorry. It's my mistake. It's my fault. My fault, bro. Oh, my bad. I was wrong about. I apologize. I'd like to apologize. I owe you an apology. My humble apologies. My sincere apologies. My deepest apologies. Please forgive me. Would you forgive me? I hope you can forgive me. Excuse me. Pardon. Pardon me. I feel so ashamed. I wasn't doing my job. Please don't be angry. I accept full responsibility. I can understand how you feel. I don't know what to say. I regret. I take all the blame. I shouldn't have done that. You must be disappointed in me. I am sorry to have disappointed you. I cannot say how sorry I am. I know it was wrong. You are right to blame me. I don't know what came over me. I don't know what got into me. I just want the ground to swallow me up. I take full responsibility. I am in the wrong. I messed up. I would like to express my regret. I'm happy to take the blame. It's unforgivable, I know.